In this video, you can see the complete guide of pea plants from seed to harvest. Namaste, welcome to Live for Loving Nature. I'm Sandhya. I have used my kitchen green peas to grow my pea plants. Before sowing the seeds, it should be soaked in water for 12 hours. Make the points or holes with 2 to 3 inches distance. Sow the seeds at least 1 inch deep. In the soil, I have added little amount of horse manure and vermicompost. Pea plants do well in all kinds of soil except impermeable clay. Pea plants do not like nitrogen-rich soil, so try to avoid nitrogen-rich compost to the soil. Green peas thrive in cool weather, and young plants shall tolerate light frost. Peas must be planted as early as possible in the spring so that a full harvest is possible before hot summer arrives. Because hot temperature puts an end to production. If you like to grow your pea plant as bushy, just trim the tip so that you get more branches and more flowers. Because of my garden place, I do prefer vertical gardening. After 2 months, we can notice flowers on pea plants. The green pea plant do not grow taller like creepers. They grow up to 1.2 meter. So I gave small sticks to support my pea plants. They do well in partial shade as well. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of sun. After 3 months, they have started giving fruits. Due to the less or no maintenance and no pest problems, I grow these plants every year. These are my last year pea plants. I have received lots of peas from them. Pea plants leaches nitrogen in the soil. In this place last year I have planted peas. This year I have planted greens. Greens needed nitrogen. So it receives all the nitrogen from the soil so that we get nice greens. Thanks for watching. Hope you find this video informative. Please like and share the video, those who could get benefited. And do comment your feedback. See you again in another video of Live for Loving Nature. Bye bye.